The Porsche Boxster has long been one of the most iconic names in the world of sports cars. For decades, it has represented the perfect balance between everyday usability and pure driving excitement. Lightweight construction, sharp handling, open-top freedom, and unmistakable Porsche engineering have made the Boxster a dream car for enthusiasts across the globe. Now, Porsche is preparing to take one of its most beloved models into a completely new era. The upcoming 2027 Porsche 718 Boxster EV is expected to become the first fully electric Boxster in history, combining legendary sports car dynamics with cutting-edge electric technology. While Porsche has not yet revealed every official specification, expectations are incredibly high, and this electric roadster could redefine what an EV sports car can be. The transition from a naturally aspirated or turbocharged flat-four engine to a fully electric powertrain is undoubtedly one of the biggest changes in the Boxster's history. Some traditional enthusiasts may initially question whether an electric sports car can deliver the same emotional driving experience. However, Porsche has already demonstrated through vehicles like the Taycan that electric performance can be thrilling, precise, and unmistakably Porsche. The company has repeatedly stated that maintaining driving engagement remains its highest priority, and the new 718 Boxster EV is expected to prove exactly that. One of the first things you'll notice about the upcoming Boxster EV is its striking design. Porsche is expected to retain the familiar low-slung proportions that have defined the Boxster for generations while introducing cleaner surfaces, improved aerodynamics, and futuristic styling details. Every line is likely to have a purpose, reducing air resistance while increasing stability at high speeds. The result should be a roadster that looks instantly recognizable as a Porsche while embracing the modern electric era. The front end is expected to feature slimmer LED matrix headlights inspired by Porsche's latest design language. Large air curtains and carefully sculpted front intakes may help direct airflow efficiently around the vehicle, even though an electric powertrain requires significantly less cooling than a combustion engine. The hood is likely to remain low and sleek, emphasizing the car's sports car proportions and excellent forward visibility. Moving along the side profile, the Boxster EV should continue to showcase its classic mid-engine inspired proportions despite housing its battery beneath the floor. The long wheelbase, short overhangs, muscular rear fenders, and low seating position are expected to create an aggressive yet elegant silhouette. Flush door handles, aerodynamic mirrors, lightweight alloy wheels, and subtle character lines will likely contribute to both efficiency and visual appeal. The soft-top convertible roof is expected to remain one of the defining features of the Boxster. Porsche understands that open-air driving is central to the Boxster experience, and engineers are likely to develop an even lighter, faster operating roof mechanism. Drivers should be able to lower or raise a roof within seconds, allowing them to enjoy sunny coastal drives, winding mountain roads, or peaceful countryside journeys with the sky above them. The rear design is expected to become even more dramatic. A full-width LED light bar may connect slim taillights, giving the car an unmistakable nighttime appearance. Active aerodynamic components such as an automatically deploying rear spoiler could improve stability during spirited driving while reducing drag during everyday cruising. A sculpted rear diffuser will likely replace traditional exhaust outlets, emphasizing the clean design of an electric vehicle. Inside the cabin, Porsche is expected to maintain a philosophy of placing the driver at the center of every experience. Rather than overwhelming occupants with unnecessary screens, the cockpit will likely combine advanced digital technology with classic Porsche ergonomics. A fully digital instrument cluster should provide customizable displays showing speed, battery status, navigation, performance data, energy consumption, and driving modes. The center touchscreen is expected to run Porsche's latest infotainment system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, cloud-based navigation, voice control, over-the-air software updates, and smartphone connectivity. Drivers may also gain access to charging station information, route planning based on battery level, and real-time traffic updates that optimize both convenience and efficiency. Premium materials are expected throughout the cabin. Leather, Racetex upholstery, brushed aluminum, carbon fiber trim, and sustainable recycled materials may all be available depending on the trim level. Porsche is increasingly focused on environmentally responsible production without compromising luxury, and the Boxster EV is expected to reflect that balance perfectly. The sports seats will likely provide exceptional support during aggressive cornering while remaining comfortable enough for long-distance touring. Multiple power adjustments, memory settings, heating, and ventilation may all be offered on higher trim levels. Despite being a compact sports car, clever packaging made possible by the electric platform could slightly improve interior storage compared to previous generations. One of the greatest advantages of electric propulsion is immediate torque delivery. Unlike combustion engines that build power gradually, electric motors deliver maximum torque almost instantly. This means the Porsche 718 Boxster EV is expected to accelerate with astonishing force the moment the accelerator pedal is pressed. Industry estimates suggest that higher performance versions could reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in well under 4 seconds, placing the electric Boxster firmly among the quickest roadsters ever produced. Porsche engineers are expected to place enormous emphasis on preserving the precise steering feel and balanced handling that have always defined the Boxster. The battery pack will likely be positioned low within the chassis, lowering the vehicle's center of gravity and improving cornering stability. Combined with Porsche's advanced suspension tuning, near perfect weight distribution, and rigid chassis construction, the electric Boxster could deliver handling that rivals or even surpasses its gasoline predecessors. Several driving modes are expected to be available, allowing drivers to tailor the vehicle's personality. Normal mode will likely prioritize efficiency and comfort for daily commuting. Sport mode should sharpen throttle response, steering weight, and suspension settings. Sport Plus may unlock maximum performance, delivering the fastest acceleration and most aggressive handling characteristics. Individual mode could allow drivers to customize nearly every aspect of the driving experience according to their personal preferences. Battery technology will play a crucial role in the success of the new Boxster EV. Although official specifications have not been confirmed, industry experts expect Porsche to utilize an advanced lithium-ion battery pack capable of providing an estimated driving range between 280 and 350 miles depending on battery size, wheel configuration, weather conditions, and driving style. Such range would make the Boxster practical for both spirited weekend drives and everyday transportation. Charging performance is expected to be among the best in the sports car segment. Thanks to Porsche's advanced 800-volt electrical architecture, ultra-fast DC charging could allow the battery to recharge from approximately 10% to 80% in around 20 minutes under ideal conditions. This technology significantly reduces charging downtime during long journeys and demonstrates Porsche's commitment to practical electric mobility. Regenerative braking will likely become another important part of the driving experience. Drivers may be able to adjust the level of energy recovery, allowing smoother one-pedal driving in city traffic or reduce regeneration for a more traditional sports car feel on twisty roads. This flexibility gives owners greater control over both efficiency and driving enjoyment. Safety will remain a top priority. The Boxster EV is expected to feature adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, parking sensors, a 360-degree camera system, traffic sign recognition, cross-traffic alert, and advanced collision avoidance technologies. Porsche aims to provide confidence during daily driving without reducing driver involvement when maximum performance is desired. One of the unique characteristics of the electric Boxster may be its artificial performance sound. While many enthusiasts appreciate the silence of electric vehicles, Porsche understands that emotional engagement remains important. Engineers are expected to develop an electronic sound signature that complements acceleration without attempting to imitate a traditional combustion engine. The result should feel futuristic while maintaining the emotional excitement associated with Porsche sports cars. Practicality is also expected to improve. Since the electric motors occupy less space than a conventional engine, the Boxster EV may offer luggage compartments at both the front and rear, increasing storage capacity compared to previous generations. Weekend road trips and daily errands could therefore become even easier without sacrificing sports car performance. The driving experience is expected to be remarkably refined. Electric propulsion eliminates engine vibration while providing exceptionally smooth acceleration. Combined with Porsche's precise chassis tuning, excellent body control, and sophisticated suspension, the Boxster EV could deliver an impressive combination of comfort and athleticism rarely found in open-top sports cars. Porsche is also expected to integrate advanced software into the ownership experience. Owners may use a smartphone application to monitor battery status, schedule charging sessions, precondition the cabin temperature before departure, locate nearby charging stations, and receive software improvements through over-the-air updates. These digital features will likely continue evolving throughout the vehicle's lifespan. The electric sports car market is becoming increasingly competitive, but Porsche enters this segment with decades of engineering expertise and one of the strongest performance reputations in the automotive world. Rivals may offer impressive acceleration figures, but Porsche's greatest strength has always been delivering confidence, precision, balance, and driving enjoyment in every situation. The Boxster EV is expected to continue that tradition while embracing the future of electrification. Although final pricing remains unconfirmed, the 2027 Porsche 718 Boxster EV will likely position itself as a premium electric sports car. Buyers will not simply be purchasing an electric convertible. They will be investing in a vehicle that carries one of the most respected names in automotive history while showcasing Porsche's vision for the future. As the automotive industry moves steadily toward electrification, many enthusiasts have wondered whether sports cars will lose their emotional appeal. Porsche appears determined to prove the opposite. By combining breathtaking acceleration, world-class engineering, timeless styling, open-air freedom, advanced technology, and unmistakable Porsche driving dynamics, the upcoming 2027 Porsche 718 Boxster EV has a potential to become one of the most exciting electric sports cars ever created. Whether you're a lifelong Porsche enthusiast, a convertible lover, or someone considering your first high-performance electric vehicle, the upcoming Boxster EV is certainly a model worth watching. It represents more than the next generation of the Boxster. It represents the beginning of a new chapter where legendary sports car heritage meets the rapidly evolving future of electric performance.